Yo, what's up, my friends? This is Adam Boyd back with another video for you today. I don't know if you've heard about it yet, but Aster is just making crazy gains the last few days. It's all the talk of crypto Twitter, and a lot of people are confused on how to buy. Some people are having issues, so I just wanted to put together this quick video. When I actually purchased, I top blasted it at $1.60. I saw it at 20 cents. I faded it all the way up until yesterday. It was 60. Then today it was $1.10. And then by the time I'm able to actually get the deposit through, I think it was like $1.60, $1.50 or something like that. So I think that it's a long-term project. CZ has been talking about it. He's been pushing it. Apparently he owns 92%. To me, that's pretty bullish for someone who's got the net worth of CZ. He's backing it. I think he really wants to try to compete with Hyperliquid here. So I think it's a good buy. I still think it's a good buy. A lot of times I'll fade this kind of stuff because I'm like, oh, I'm a couple days late or whatever. So it's only been out 3 or 4 days. This is much better odds than taking a chance on some shitter. So anyways, there's only a couple other tutorials on YouTube on how to do this. It's really pretty simple here, guys. First time doing it, just check it out here. I'll kind of walk you through it. So essentially, first of all, you need to go up here. You need to connect your wallet in the top right of the screen. I connected mine to Phantom Wallet. You need to have either Solana or USDT. I have USDT on Solana chain. And so I connected my wallet here under the perpetual tab. And you can see here I have the USDT in my wallet, 34 at this point, just for the first test buy. And I wanted to test it before I put the rest in. So anyways, I got that in there. And here's Aster on spot. This is where we're going to buy this. So I need to transfer the money from my perpetual to the spot, but we got to wait for it to get to the perpetual. But first we have to send it. We have to deposit it. So we go over here to deposit, Solana chain, USDT. I did the max here, perpetual account. So here we are, we're depositing. It opens up a thing from Phantom. Click OK, confirm. You can see the deposit's done there. So 1 to 2 minutes it says. It looks like it took about an hour and a half for it to go through. So I'm going to deposit under perpetual. I'm going to deposit, fuck it, 461. So we'll have about 500 in it. So we have that in USDT on Solana chain. Okay, it says 1 to 2 minutes, but yeah, it took an hour and a half. So I deposited 461. All right, so that one actually only took like 2 minutes. So maybe the first one just takes longer, or if it's a smaller amount. So we're gonna go back to spots. We're going to need to transfer. And then we'll transfer USDT to spots. All right, and then you're going to go up to the top right here where it says buy, and then I'm going to go do as much as I can here. Oh, fuck it. Let's send it. All right, we got 492 in Aster. And that, my friends, is how simple it is to buy Aster. Like I said, I think this is a long-term play. I think this goes higher from here. It might pull back a little bit. I might be top blasting it a little bit here. But if you want to buy into Aster, if you want to buy into the hype, you think that this can go higher, definitely use my referral code and the link in the description below. If this video helped you, please like the video, leave a comment, or subscribe to the channel. I'm going to have a lot more crypto videos coming out here soon. I'm going to be doing some live streaming as well, live stream trading meme coins and stuff. But this is just the first video I was thinking about today. I'm like, I might as well record this because this could bring some value to some people. So if you're looking into Aster, let me know what your targets are in the comment section below. And thanks for stopping by this video. You can use this if you want to show someone how to get involved with Aster. You can also send them this tutorial as well. So thanks for stopping by the video, guys. I will talk to you on the next one. Peace.